everybody, the long wait is over. We finally received our package. Ta-da! This is the PC, and I wanted to make an unboxing video for it, so this is gonna be it. I am so excited for this PC. Honestly, this is my first ever gaming PC, and the previous setup I had was a laptop. Again, it was a gaming laptop, but I don't think it counts as a gaming PC, right? Because it was a laptop. So this is gonna be me realizing my childhood dream. Let's just get it started. I'm just gonna unpack this. Oh my god, I love this PC so much. It says, oh my god, one of my dreams, right? Super excited for this. Let me just break through this. I know, last time I had a really big knife and this time it's a very small one, but it's sharp enough to open with it. Right, let me just cut it open. This is it. Oh my god, look at this. Now I'm gonna show you guys a closer shot for this. Look, that's the PC case I'm gonna get. Believe we need a better angle for this now, so let me put this back in. Let me take everything out of the box. What the heck is this for? This extra support that it... I feel like I just have to break the box here. There's another one. Oh, you don't need these. I need to be in the camera. That's right. Oh, getting on to the main part. Ta-da! Let's get this open as well, guys. Let's move this a little back so it's a better camera angle for you guys, right? And now we finally, the moment is here. But again, did I say that this is my childhood dream? I should correct myself. This is every guy's childhood dream. Not just mine. Every guy's. Yeah, I see a lot of supplies inside. I feel like we're gonna have to do some assembling here. I wouldn't have it any other way. What is this? First, we have 2 cables. There's assembly instructions in it. That is. Okay, we'll keep it on the sides for now. Right, and oh my god. I can't explain this to you guys, right? Oh, I guess this is just some child safety measures. It's here. It is finally here. Alright. Actually move this to my chair first. Well, it's heavy, but not that heavy. I can definitely lift it. So, here we go, guys. I hope the table can handle it. I guess we have to lift it one more time. This block is not helping. It's really hard to get a grip on it. Wow, this case is big. It is very big. I did not realize that it's gonna be this big. Oh wait, wrong angle, right? Yeah, let me put this on. Yes, so this is the height Y70 case that I'm using. Great. Now, plastic bags can be dangerous. Of course it can be dangerous. This thing is more dangerous. Handle with care. Alright. I do see a dent on it. This is laminated. There's a lamination on it as well. This is a power button. Oh, cool. Believe I'm gonna have to open this. There's no instructions. Where are the instructions? How the heck do I open this? How do I open this? Wait, let me find the instructions again. Look. Oh wait, it says right here. To remove the packaging inside the computer, please follow the instructions. Gently pull the tempered glass panel towards myself. Ooh, that's tough to remove. Very important part, guys. Can't mess it up. Right. What else does it say? Once the tempered glass panel has been disconnected from the case, once the tempered glass panel is removed, remove the packaging from the inside. Right. Carefully remove it. Of course, carefully. Oh wait. Alright. Carefully, very gently. Alright guys, I wanted to give you guys a better camera angle of this, so I had to move it a little bit. Right. First thing out. Oh wow. Oh wow. Alright. That looks so amazing. Look at the all black. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I love this already. Right, I'm just taking some of the components that they gave me in it, right? And I just want to make sure that I have everything I asked for, right? It's good to go. Put anything extra in the year. We have our 2 TB SSD as well. Like sir, we have the Pro Series with the board from MSI. Alright, and 9070 XT. This thing is gonna be a beast. So the tempered glass. Okay, so I have to remove the peeling from it. Right, let me just remove this as well while I'm at it. Okay, alright. Well, there's more. The Velcro. Okay, how do I remove it? Right here. This is gonna help me in cable management. Gotta save it, guys. We gotta save it. And then I remove it. Alright, let's go. What's next? Do not plug in cable prior to an initial Windows setup. This, I am just gonna peel this. I can't wait to peel it up. Okay. Wait, no, let me just read through it real fast though. Height Y70, touch infinite, 14.9 inches panel. It's 2.5K resolution. It's 10-point multi-touch. Display port, powered by Nexus. It's a QR code for it. Wait, let me. Oh, I can't scan the QR code at the moment, but I believe we are saving this. I can scan the QR code later. Yep, let me just put this on the box. This is our setup now, guys. And I have to fill up the lamination on the box, huh? Wow, this feeling I am getting so damn cool. Every boy's dream, guys. Every guy's dream. I don't even want to touch it. It's gonna be fingerprints on or something, right? So we are leaving lamination from the inside first. I don't think there's any lamination on the though. I don't see any lamination on the inside. Outside one. There. Okay, alright. Oops. Wow. Cannot get enough of this feeling. Alright. Let me put this back in gently. See? It did leave some fingerprints on. What did I say? Already ruined the look. Oh my gosh. I should have maybe. Oh no, it's going away. Alright, to show you guys a little bit about how it looks from the back. Here we go. This here says where our power cable goes, our graphic card slots, some of our fan slots. And we have our jacks here, audio jacks, USBs. We have 6 USBs. Pretty cool. We have a Type C. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm so happy with this, guys. I believe that's it for the unpacking and the unboxing. Just to show you guys a quick look. This was my current setup, and the table can't fit it. It's so huge, and I can't wait to just turn it on and see how it's gonna look like. But so far, yeah, it's honestly very big for my PC, and I feel like I won't have enough space for my laptop and on the table anymore. So we'll see what we can do about that soon. Alright guys, so finally I have the whole thing set up. Right, I'm just gonna show you guys a quick look as to how it's looking on my desk. Right, so I know the cable management needs some work, but this is my first setup. So I'm gonna work on that a little bit later. This is how it's looking like for now, and we are about to start our first boot for this, right? So let me just rest the camera here so you guys can see it in action. Right, let's go guys. First power up. This one is also pretty cool, so I hope it works. Really hope it won't just blow up on me. Right? Oh wow. Alright. There we go. Look at it. Oh wait, the monitor did not turn on. Oh yes, I saw it. Alright. Let's wait for it. The boot time was very fast for some reason. And this display is not right. Oh, I haven't connected the display port yet because the instructions said I shouldn't be doing that on the very first boot. I should do it afterwards. But I still have the cable on the side. I'm gonna do that in just a bit. And this is the CPU, guys. So once this boots up, once this finishes, I'm just gonna get the screen started as well, and we'll see how it's gonna look after the full setup. And you can see how clear that is. You can see the whole reflection of things here. Now this is our PC. This is what it looks like. Oh, the GPU is not even running right now. Alright, looks neat. Looks very neat. I thought those were some spots right there. No, they're good. Look how smooth all this is. So these are some of the buttons they've given us. I believe this has an audio jack and some USB slots, and then the Type-C for charging. Amazing, isn't it? I installed pretty much every update I could, and look, it's a mini monitor. Wow, I even take I could even my mouse there. Pretty cool if you ask me. Well, when it's a touch screen too, right? So I can. Oh wow, look at that! It shows on this desktop that I'm like doing something there. So wow, that's cool. It's very cool. So yes, I do wanna see that. We are the video wallpapers. Oh look! Isn't that amazing? There's also a game over there. What? Aquarium. Got a widget. Coolest. Come on, give me something very cool. This is not good enough. Gee. This is cool. Well, let me just see if I can do something about this. Come on, you must be kidding me, bro. Does it need to be high quality? Does it? Let me see. Wait. Let me add that. Let me go to pictures and let me just put that in. And it actually works. Let me change the thing to something reddish. We color this to be red, this red, and we need this to be white. Ooh, color scene for us, right? That's much better. I'm happy with this. Okay, I tried to make a play there, but I got CC. CC by freaking Wudo Rams. CC by Annie, really? That was not the idea, but oh, the enemy effect. Yeah, I guess that gives you guys a pretty vague idea of how the game looks like. And if you could see loading into the game, let's just see how it feels like for us. Okay, as you can see, it's very pretty. Right, let me just try boosting the settings up as well. Display, alright, full screen, close, ultra. Yes, we are running everything on ultra. And I still don't know how much FPS we're getting, but it's very smooth, right? He's adorable. Wait, we got a chest from that. Nice. And well, just so you guys know, it's totally possible to do 4K gaming as well. And the only limitation I have is that I don't have a 4K monitor at the moment, but my CPU is able to perfectly handle even any 4K game you throw at it. And I believe that's something to say. And the monitor, again, I feel like I can upgrade anytime in the near future, right? So I'll look forward to 4K gaming as well, I guess, right? See you guys.